My name is Jesus Ramirez. In this quick tip, I will show you how to edit text in your images using Generative Fill in Photoshop. To start, press Ctrl A on Windows, that's Command A on the Mac. From here, you can click on Generative Fill from the contextual taskbar, but even better, you can go into Edit and choose Generative Fill. This will give us a larger input box that will make it easier for us to see and edit the longer prompts required by these new partner models. Keep in mind that you can assign a custom keyboard shortcut to this command to access it faster. From this icon, select the FLUX Kontext Pro model, which typically provides better results when editing text in an image. To save time, I'll paste the prompt that instructs Photoshop to replace the word Reno with Adobe and the phrase, "The biggest little city in the world with Photoshop now includes partner models." And make sure to place the words you want to change in quotes. Then click Generate. And Photoshop gives us fantastic results. Everything looks realistic and the words are clearly legible. Now that you know how to use Generative Fill to edit text in your images, try it with your photos. Again, my name is Jesus Ramirez. Thank you for watching.